Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an in the post video, and this is an in the post number 29. I have a series of coins that I've got just recently. The first one of which is one from Westminster Coins and one from the Royal Mint. They're both the same coin. One is the blue card from the Westminster collection, or Change Checker, the blue card, and one is the Bunk Pack. Both are for the same coin. It is the £5 Tudor Beast, the latest one, which is the Black Bull of Clarence. They are the ones with Charles III's portrait on. This is the latest in the series. I believe this is either the third or fourth coin. I can't remember exactly. I think it's the third in this series. We'll be going into some depth about it in a later video. Also that's come through this week is I have a set of 1 and 5 cent coins from the Cook Islands in this bag. I think there's 6 of them. There's 5 or 6 of them. And they're going to make up an animal coin hunt. They all have different animals on the back of them, and as I said, they will be released as a coin hunt in the very near future. I think I've still got a little bit of research to do on those before I actually record the video. Here we have a €2 coin from France. It's from 2011 and it is the coin that they released for the 30th anniversary of the music festival. So again, another one needs a little bit of checking up on, and then we'll release it as a video. The next one is from Pobjoy Mint. Oops, let me just take them out a little bit. It is one that shows is a glacier. It's a card coin from the British Antarctic Territories for the Glacier series, and the actual orange post-it note that I put on there is actually covering it. It's actually called the Mars. It is the Mars coin out of this series. Again, that will be spoken about at length during the video that I'm doing for them, or that I do for them. The next one is some Chinese banknotes. This particular version of the notes will have gone into been viewed. I'm due to put it up on Saturday last week before this video comes out. So that's the Chinese banknotes, and it's from the Phoenix and Dragon series, I believe. And the final one that we have, that we're going to be turning into another video, is a few years ago they had a coin that you could only get at the Royal Mint, and it was a Welsh dragon, and it was normally it was a coin, I'm not sure what the face value was, but I think they're about £20 or £25 to buy. This one is one of those, the next one in the line of those particular coins. This is a £5 coin of the Welsh Red Dragon. We did have, I believe, 1 year when it was the Flowers of the Nation, but they've gone back to the Red Dragon again this year. You could only buy this coin if you visit the Royal Mint. It is not on their website, and they're quite difficult to get a hold of. There's a very limited edition run on these. If the quality is proof, it's a proof quality coin, Cooper nickel, and I think there's only around about 2,000 of them being minted. I may be proved wrong on that point, but I think there's only 2,000 of them minted. So I will be doing a video about that as well. Overall, this isn't very long. It's only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in the post this week. Sometimes I have more than that, sometimes I have less. I am trying to grow my channel this year and get a higher subscriber level. I currently have around about 150, I think it's 158 subscribers. I'd like to try and get 250 by Christmas. I'm not sure whether that's possible or not, but I'm going to give it a try. For that, I do need your help, and if you've viewed the channel for any period of time and have not yet subscribed, please think about doing so. It doesn't cost you any money, and it doesn't cause you any financial pain or anything like that. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. Both of these will help me in the algorithm and help me be put in front of new viewers to my channel. So as I close out this video, anybody having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or notes, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And finally, just before we leave, thank you, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, bye bye for now. Ta-da!